Hello darlings, I'm Denise from Easy and Delish. Welcome to our shortcut kitchen where food is always easy and delish. Well, today we are sharing with you how to make alfajores, which are South American cookies, actually sandwich cookies, filled with dulce de leche and dusted with powdered sugar. They are naturally gluten-free because they are made with cornstarch instead of all-purpose flour. They are also no-till and, of course, melt in your mouth. They are simply delicious. And you know what? Because they are mildly sweet, they make the perfect treat to pair with a cup of coffee. Well, I hope you watch the video until the very end. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and of course turn on the notifications so you won't miss our future recipe videos. See you soon! So what do you think about our recipe? You know that we cheat, but always good. I hope you come for more Easy and Delish recipes. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. Well, thanks for watching and have a marvelous day.